Hey guys, welcome to this exciting video. This video is to show you how to bleach palm oil before using it to make bar soap, because it's not proper to use palm oil in its normal form to make soap because of the stain. So you have to bleach the oil before using it to make your soap. Let's watch how I do it in this video. So guys, here are the things I'll be using to bleach this palm oil. The first thing here is the palm oil, which is the base. The palm oil serves as the base. So we'll be using this particular palm oil right here. And the other chemicals we are going to be using to bleach this palm oil is sulphonic acid. What I have here right now is sulphonic acid. This sulphonic acid will serve as a catalyst in bleaching the palm oil. The second one is hydrogen peroxide. This hydrogen peroxide is the industrial grade, not the pharmaceutical grade. Don't go to pharmacy and ask them to give you hydrogen peroxide. You will be using industrial. Go to chemical shop where they sell chemicals for home products. They will give you industrial hydrogen peroxide. So we are going to weigh out the oil that we are going to be bleaching. I have my scale here and I want to weigh out 500 grams of palm oil. 500 grams of palm oil, that is what I want to weigh out. That is what I want to bleach for this video. After measuring the palm oil, the next thing is to measure out the chemicals, the two other chemicals that will be used to bleach the palm oil. I have this little calibrated cup gotten from children medication pack. That's why I got this calibrated small cup to measure out my 5 ml for sulphonic acid and 5 ml of hydrogen peroxide. So for each quantity of oil you want to bleach, you're going to use 1% of that quantity. So I just added 1% of sulphonic acid, which is 5 ml into this red oil, and I'm going to stir it properly for like 2 minutes. You can see as I added and begin to stir it, the color started to change. You can see when you are bleaching, or even when you are bleaching on fire, the color will start to change. And like I said before, any quantity of oil you want to bleach, you're going to use 1% of sulphonic acid and 1% of hydrogen peroxide to bleach the palm oil. If you're going to bleach 500 grams like I'm doing, you're going to use 5 ml of sulphonic acid and 5 ml of hydrogen peroxide. And in case you want to bleach more than this quantity, you want to bleach like 1 liter, 2 liters, 3 liters, you're going to use 1% of 1 liter or 1% of 2 liter or 1% of 3 liter for sulphonic acid and hydrogen peroxide. For instance, you want to bleach 1 liter of palm oil, you're going to use 1% of sulphonic acid to bleach that palm oil and 1% of hydrogen peroxide to bleach the palm oil. And 1% for 1 liter is 10 ml, because 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 grams. So 1000 grams divided by 100% will give you 10. So for every oil you want to bleach, you're going to use 1% of that oil for hydrogen peroxide and sulphonic acid. I hope you understand me. I just added the second chemical, which is the hydrogen peroxide, into the palm oil, and I am stirring. I'm going to stir for 2 minutes. After stirring it for 2 minutes, you can see the changes in the oil. Everything is beginning to change into another form and color. So after stirring it for 2 minutes, I'm going to cover this oil and keep for 24 hours. Guys, after 24 hours, see how the oil, our red oil, has turned into. The color has totally changed. It has totally transformed into another thing. This is the oil that can be used to make your soup, that can be used to make your bar soup. The proper way to get your oil, palm oil, to make your bar soup, it should be in this form, bleached into a form that can be used to make your bar soup. So this oil is totally bleached. You can see the difference, you can spot the difference. This is the exact oil, the form the oil was before I bleached it. You can see how red and fresh the oil is looking, and you can see what it turned into in the blue bowl. It totally transformed into a different oil. I'm going to show you guys the difference between these two oils, the palm oil, the fresh palm oil, and the bleached palm oil. I'm going to get a paper to test these two oils for you guys to see how it should be when you bleach your oil. Okay guys, let's test these two oils. This is a paper I have here. I'm going to dip this paper into the fresh red oil, palm oil, for you to see the effect of the oil or the paper, and also put another one into the bleach one for you to see the effects of the bleach one on the paper. So let's go. I'm dipping into the red fresh oil. Let's see how it's going to be on the paper, the effect of the oil. Look at the red fresh oil, palm oil, on the white paper. See how it stained the paper. See how it is on the white paper. Okay, let's check for the bleached one and see the difference. Totally, completely different from the fresh palm oil. This is a clear difference. You can see this is how your palm oil, the state of your palm oil should be before you use it to make your bar soap. So guys, I hope you learned something in this video. This is the simple and easiest way to bleach your palm oil before using it to make your soap. In case you want to go into commercial production of bar soap, this is the best way to bleach your palm oil. You just use these two chemicals, bleach your palm oil to maximize your product. If you bleach your palm oil by yourself, get palm oil bleached by yourself, mix with other oils or other butters like palm, like shea butter and olive oil, coconut oil. Add it into this palm oil and make your bar soap. It will actually maximize your profit. So guys, thank you for watching. This oil right here, I'm going to keep it for my next video for making my bar soap. I'm going to use it to make bar soap, so watch out for that video. please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Like this video, share this video to whoever needs it. Comment, send in your comments, let me know your thoughts on this video. Let me know if you will be doing this. Let me know if you'll be trying to make your bar soap with your own bleached palm oil. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.